welcome back to my channel, Ramona Charlene. So today's video I'm really excited for because it's a wig review and it's going to be on this beauty a little bit more so you guys can see her. Sorry for the lighting. So let's just stop the rambling and get into the video. So this baby right here, you guys, first of all, can we talk about her length? Look at her. So she comes all the way down to my bum. She's 40 inches. Yeah, that's right. 40 inches. She comes in this beautiful box right here. Bring her up close. Do a little thing here so you guys can see her. So this is a Vanessa wig. It's tops, lace front, human hair blends, Swiss silk, lace Brazilian human hair blend. So this is a premium lace front wig, meaning yes, it's synthetic, but it's the closest to human without paying human money. You get baby hairs, has a super V long. So in terms of like how the hair is cut, it's like in a V and it shows you right here in the box. So like literally that's how it is. It has a flat part, which I'm gonna show you guys, get up close. Look at that baby hair. Tangle free, and it is 360 Fahrenheit. Her name is, it's in style TDHB Elma 40. This is part of the Honey collection, and it's the inch for the part is 6 inches deep. So let's just talk about this wig. So I believe this might be up before my vlog, but I had a photo shoot today and I decided that I wanted to wear this wig for the photo shoot because, like, are you guys seeing the color? Like, hello? Gorgeous. It's a nice ombre. It's in color OMT Latte. They do come in a bunch of other colors. 1B for 30, FF DBLD, FFR Gold, which is, I know the R Gold is rose gold, burgundy, OMT 619, which is like a blonde, but this blonde is not like the cute blonde. It's like a yellowish looking blonde. I wouldn't really recommend getting it. And then they have the OMT Latte, which is amazing. I need to get it. And SP 1B30. Okay, so the packaging, obvi, cute, comes in a nice little box. When you open the box, they do package it like real nicely. Like it comes with all this like extra-ish, and then you get the card for the wig with all the care instructions, all that fun stuff, and then the net. Okay, so let's get into the video and talk about the fun stuff, like the actual wig. So, tangle free, that is so much of a lie. That's one of the things I don't like about this wig. It tangles like mad crazy. But you know what? For the length, for 40 inches, like I wouldn't expect anything different. But like even though it tangles, it's not like, it doesn't tangle to the point where like I wouldn't purchase another one. Like always tangle. This one does tangle a little bit more. So I would recommend if you are going to get something like this, definitely walk with a brush. Like the brush that I got was from the doll store. It looks like that, and basically all I do is I kind of just like brush the top because it gets kind of like frizzy, and then I kind of just like finger comb just to open up the curls and kind of like detangle it. Like if you guys can see, it is kind of like matted and frizzy, like yeah, matted frizzy kind of thing going on here. But in my defense, I did go in the shower with this wig. It was part of my shoot. Clue there. But for the amount of stuff I was doing, like I'm surprised that the wig is still in amazing condition, which brings me into the quality of the hair. So even though the hair does tangle, the hair quality is A1. I'll give that a thumbs up. The hair is super, super, super soft. Like it really does feel like Brazilian. It's super soft. It does shed a lot. So during my photo shoot, I was like shedding like dog hair. Like I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this hair sheds more than most premium wigs that I've ever bought. I was kind of like, huh? But you know what? That's just kind of what comes with getting synthetic hair, it finished shed. Other than that, if I were to rate this out of 10, I'd give it like an 8.5 out of 10. I just don't like the tangling and the amount of shedding. Other than that, as you guys can see, the part looks amazing. I didn't do anything to the part. Literally, all I did was get like a light beige wig cap, put it on my head, and then that's it, just to kind of make it look realistic. The baby hair, like, let's talk about the baby hair. Like, this thing comes with like a lot of baby hair. Low-key only like did the side part in the front here. But yeah, you do get baby hair, and the baby hair goes ear to ear. Now, the one thing I love about this wig, it is big head friendly. Sorry you guys if I'm looking over here. I need to remember to look, the camera's over there, and not to look at myself. Yeah, so this wig is definitely big head friendly. Like, I have a big head, and as you guys can see, the tabbies go roughly about here. So if you have a larger size head, this would fit you. And again, this is not a side part wig. I pushed it to the side. It's meant to be worn in the middle. So if I had it in the middle, it would be perfect ear to ear. This wig does have curls to it, which I really, really like. As you see, I'll turn around again so you guys can see and walk out. Beautiful, beautiful curls. I love how the ombre, I love the ombre in this color. I love the ombre in this wig, like a silverish gray. Like, who am I? Like, when you guys see my photo set for Diversity, if you're not following me, you should be on Diversity. You're gonna be like, girl, where'd you get this wig? This wig is A-bomb. Now, in terms of purchasing, I do have a boutique called Hef's Boutique, so this wig is available at my boutique. I will leave my Instagram name for my boutique in the description box if you are interested in purchasing one. She finna go for, well, you'd have to go look at my shop to see the price for her. Overall, this is a perfect wig. Amazing quality. Just as long as you walk with a brush to kind of detangle it, and you don't mind the shedding, I would definitely say buy this wig. It is super affordable. I do offer worldwide shipping, so if you're in the States and you want to support your girl, you can just order the wig from me. That's basically the end of this video. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and do a review on this baby because I think she be gorgeous. Look at my unicorn looking all evil and shit. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys get this wig, and if you do, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Say hi to the baby. And I'll see you guys in my next video.